sustainable fashion essential for every season is the eco-friendly and versatile tensile dress. Made from sustainably sourced wood pulp, this dress not only looks amazing but also feels incredibly soft against the skin. Its breathable fabric makes it perfect for all seasons, keeping you comfortable and stylish in any weather. The tensile dress is a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down. Its classic design ensures that it never goes out of style, allowing you to wear it for years to come. Its sustainable production process also ensures that you are contributing to a greener and more eco-conscious fashion industry. Moving on, we have a stunning eco-leather jacket. This jacket is made from high-quality synthetic leather, making it a cruelty-free alternative to traditional leather. Not only does it look stylish and edgy, but it also complements various outfits effortlessly. By choosing an eco-leather jacket, you are making a conscious decision to support cruelty-free fashion. You can rock this jacket during any season, layering it with your favorite garments to create a fashionable and sustainable ensemble. Now, let's unbox an essential accessory every fashion enthusiast needs: a vegan leather handbag. This bag is crafted from durable and ethical materials that mimic real leather, providing a luxurious look without harm to animals. It's the perfect statement piece to complete any sustainable outfit. By opting for a vegan leather handbag, you are showing the world that fashion doesn't need to come at the cost of animal welfare. This bag is not only stylish but also practical, with enough space to carry all your essentials. It's a must-have for every fashion-forward individual. Now, let's surprise you with something truly revolutionary: sustainable sneakers made from recycled materials. These shoes are the epitome of style and sustainability, combining fashion and eco-consciousness like never before. Get ready to be amazed. These sustainable sneakers are a testament to what sustainable fashion can achieve. By using recycled materials, they give new life to discarded resources while reducing waste. Embrace the future of fashion with these comfortable and eco-friendly sneakers.